I'm a child of the space age, so I grew up with images of the space shuttle launching into the night sky. To me, this piece is not about a car. This piece to me is about memories. This project, it's not only about taking the car apart, it's about the space key as well, that carbon fiber key, and it really brings the two worlds together, the digital and the physical world. That's what excites me. And so when I try to come up with an idea, how can I make the ultimate show kind of shown in a way that was never seen before, I came up with the concept of the car launching into the sky like a rocket. And it's also a bit more metaphysical, because ultima in Latin means last, but it also means farthest. The farthest place we've ever been is the moon. So it is pointed to the moon because it's the place that stirs our imagination. We're all explorers and we like to discover new worlds.